Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change profile picture on Pinterest. What you need to do, first just go to Pinterest and log in your account. After that, just click in the top right in this little arrow and then go to settings, and you see here photo, then click change, choose photo. Then just you can select any photo from your computer. I don't have any picture, let me just select this one just for the video. Yes, it's already done. You can see here it's change. This is what you need to do if you want to change profile picture on Pinterest. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.